Article 210.63 Equipment requiring servicing. A 125-volt single-phase 15 or 20-ampere rated receptacle outlet shall be installed at an accessible location within 7.5 mains 25 ft of the equipment as specified in 210.63a and b. Informational note C 210.8e for requirements on GFCI protection. A. Heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration equipment. The required receptacle outlet shall be located on the same level as the heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration equipment. The receptacle outlet shall not be connected to the load side of the equipment's branch circuit disconnecting means. Exception: a receptacle outlet shall not be required at 1 and 2 family dwellings for the service of evaporative coolers. B. Other electrical equipment. In other than 1 and 2 family dwellings, a receptacle outlet shall be located as specified in 210 Bart 63 B1 and B2. 1. Indoor service equipment. The required receptacle outlet shall be located within the same room or area as the service equipment. 2. Indoor equipment requiring dedicated equipment spaces. Where equipment other than service equipment requires dedicated equipment space as specified in 110.26e. The required receptacle outlet shall be located within the same room or area as the electrical equipment and shall not be connected to the load side of the equipment's disconnecting means.